Press Windows and E to open File Explorer. Right-click the affected drive, select Properties, navigate to the Tools tab, click on Check, and select Scan Drive. Check disk typically takes less than a minute to complete. Press Windows and S keys. Type Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Now paste CHKDSK/R and hit Enter. If asked to schedule the scan, press Y and then Enter. Finally, restart the PC. When you restart the computer, it will give you 10 seconds to cancel the disk check. If you don't do that, Windows will run the Check Disk utility, and you will see a screen like this. It will list the ongoing operation as well as the ETA. It may take anywhere between 15 minutes to an hour for the repairs to complete. Don't turn off your computer during this period. Let Check Disk run uninterrupted. What does Check Disk do? Check Disk scans your hard drive or SSD to look for issues like file system errors or bad sectors. If it finds problems like corrupted files or directory issues, it can often fix them automatically. When it spots areas of the drive that are physically damaged, it marks them so Windows won't use those parts again. Running Check Disk every now and then can help your system run smoother by preventing data loss or file-related crashes. This table lists the different Check Disk commands along with their functions. Identify the type of repair you need to perform and run the appropriate command. Just remember, the more repairs that need to be made, the longer Check Disk will take to finish. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.